What's up guys, it's Junior aka Semi here bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here guys, I'm going to highly suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you go ahead and click on that like button, hit the subscribe button, and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live, because trust me guys, you never ever want to miss out on anything we do on here guys. Hey guys, are you looking for a great premium service for an affordable price? Then look no further. Come and check out egocast.tv. Look at this great layout of a web page. You got a lot of information here you guys go over, but I think the most thing that you guys are more worried about is the price plan. They have wonderful pricing here. You got up to 5 devices for $19.99 for every 3 months. Same amount of devices for a year for $59.99 a month, and you got for 2-year plans $19.99. Prices are wonderful. It's awesome to have. But let's go ahead and check out the app, because I know you guys want to see what the app looks like. That is the app right here on the top left corner. You got your live TV. You got all this stuff here for live TV. If you go back out, you got your movies, all these movies here. And if you got your TV series, you got all your TV series here, guys. Tons and tons of stuff, guys. Get your plan today. So today, I'm gonna go over a brand new product I got. It's not so much of a new product, but it's an idea of stuff you gotta do. If you're somebody like me and are in the VR headset world, and some of you might have gotten the Quest 2 or even the Quest 3, the 3S, one of those two. But if you're like me, and you're still, when the original Quest started coming out, I still got the original Quest 1. But I never upgraded to the Quest 3, but I did get the Quest 2 at one point, which I still have here. And one thing I've noticed that this thing is, the rubber piece here, the foam part, is going bad. So you're like, okay, so when this goes bad, how am I gonna replace it? So we all know you can take off the front piece off easily like this. And I'm gonna show you how mine's going bad. All right, so you can take off the front piece. This piece right here comes off, and you're gonna see it like after uses of a lot of uses, these start to appear, starts coming wearing off, and it'll start looking like this. You know, so me, I really don't care about this, but I went decided gonna change it because I do see up here that it started crisping up, and it's gonna start ripping up hard. And this because if you use it so much and you start sweating and using it, the sweat comes on here, and then your skin starts rubbing on it and rubbing it off. So it turns to like stuff like this. So it was time for me to go ahead and change it. So what I did is I went ahead and got this off of Amazon right here. This is a replacement facial interface bracket for the Quest 2. Now they make the exact same ones for the Quest 3. I believe the Quest 1s are not available anymore, but they make it for the Quest 3 as well. So it's not just because it's a Quest 2. I'm doing this video because also if you ever run into that issue with the Quest 3, you could go ahead and replace it. So I'm just doing a video for this. I'll leave a link for both the Quest 2 and the Quest 3 down below if you want to get one of these replacements. Very easy. This only cost me $12. With Prime, with taxes, everything came out to like $12.83, something like that after taxes. So that's it. Under 13 bucks, guys, you get a replacement one instead of buying a whole new headset all over again. I know some of you won't even do that. You just rock the badness of it, but it's okay. So we're gonna open it up. So when you get the box, you get like this, and you show the cushion right here. It tells you what it is here. On the sides is all brown box because you gotta slide this part off. And on top right here, it tells you what it is. No face pinch, suitable for all face types. Software PU leather and foam padding. It can be dismantled and cleared. Prevent light transpiration. And here's the code back here. Very simple. Okay, let's open it up. And when you open it up, all it does is comes with the faceplate on here. Very simple. And then you slide it out. And this is the foam pad here. So all you have to do is clip it on. As you see, the cushion's on there, brand new cushion, leather cushion. So let's crimple right there. Look how nice that is. So you take this, you put it here, and just slide it on here. Simple as that, guys. Boom, guys, look at that. Look how simple that is. Replace. This is the old one right here, so you guys can see the new one here. And it is a little bit bigger, so it fits the face better. You slide it on, and boom, done, guys. And it still feels as comfortable but the material is better because it'll last longer. So simple as that, guys. Very, very simple. I know this was a short, easy video. I just wanted to get this out there for you guys, and that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, everything I showed you today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so, the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one, whenever we go live. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.